Hi, my friends. So the prompt is, what is inside my head? Not my head, but your head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to fold the paper, and then I'm going to time lapse it and zoom it up so you guys can see my finished product. So what I want you to do is take your basic printer paper, and I want you to fold it over, but don't crease it, okay? Because what you're going to do then is fold the bottom part back over. And then you're going to crease both sections. So what you're going to have is it will open up, so it'll have a big section and then two smaller sections. So fold this back down. Now what I want you to do is grab a pencil first, and you're going to draw your head, not anybody else's head, your head onto where it's folded, right? So this is going to be my bangs, some hair, right? Some hair. I'll do some eyes, nose. So what we're going to do is once you're done with this, you can open it up. And I want you to connect this so it's still inside your head and it makes sense, right? And then in here, I want you to write all the things that are inside your head right now. Like right now, I feel cabin fever. Feel a little sleepy. I've been watching a lot of Netflix. So I want you to go through and do everything you're thinking in here and then color it in. And that way when it's closed, it just looks like you. And when it's open, we can see whatever's inside your noodle right now. So have fun with this, get creative, give me some good words in here, and I will get back to you. All right, thanks guys.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Start